how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer funds from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood easily. Step 1. Sell crypto on a supported exchange. Robinhood doesn't support direct deposits from Phantom Wallet, so you first need to sell your crypto on an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Open Binance Coinbase and go to Wallet, Deposit. Copy the deposit address for the crypto you want to transfer. Step 2. Transfer crypto from Phantom Wallet. Open Phantom Wallet, select the crypto, and click Send. Paste the exchange deposit address and confirm the transfer. Step 3. Withdraw to your bank and transfer to Robinhood. Once your funds arrive on the exchange, sell your crypto for USD. Withdraw the USD to your linked bank account. Open Robinhood and deposit the funds from your bank. And that's it. Now you can use your money in Robinhood. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more tutorials.